What if I told you that you can make money on YouTube without being monetized, without having 1,000 subscribers, and without anyone even know you exist? Mind-blowing. In this video, I'm gonna show you how creators are making thousands of dollars per month without anyone even knowing that they exist. Because creators are making real income from day one with 0 subscribers. So when I first started YouTube, I started out with 0 subscribers, 0 confidence, and a cheap webcam that made me look 30 pounds heavier than I actually am. And that's okay. What's most important is that YouTube is a business. We have to treat it like a business, and we cannot attach the subscriber count to that. After learning how YouTube actually works as a business, I was able to grow multiple income streams from YouTube without a massive amount of subscribers from day one. So many people think that the money that we make from YouTube comes from Google Ads, and of course people are making money from it, but the truth is that fluctuates depending on how often you post, how viral your video goes, and to me that was not a reliable or safe source of income for me. Like, what if my channel got demonetized and I can't make money from Google Ads? That did not sound appealing to me, and so I decided to build multiple income streams. Even your most well-known, popular, or favorite creator, they make more from different income streams than the money that they make from Google Ads. And those income streams I'm gonna talk about and share with you today. So think of YouTube as a way to drive traffic to your business and not necessarily as a Google AdSense paycheck. When I posted my first YouTube video, I waited for views, I waited for subscribers, and for the first few weeks, it was not looking pretty, my friend. I figured out a new approach, and I started researching, and I figured I'm gonna add an affiliate link, and that's when I made my first $50. Before I even had 100 views on a video, it clicked. People don't really pay you because you're famous, they pay you because you're solving a problem. So what problem are you solving, and how can I attach that to other streams of income? And that's when I figured out that I don't need 1,000 subscribers or 1,000,000 subscribers in order to go to Starbucks. So here I am on a completely different day, editing the video, only to find out that a piece of the video or a chunk of what I recorded was muted. It happens to the best of us. So I'm gonna just re-record that little section. So yeah. So YouTube isn't just a social media account or platform, it's actually a storefront. And what I mean by that is you can actually list things in your description box for sale on your social media platform, which in this case, YouTube. If you treat your channel like an actual business instead of a hobby, you can make money from day one. So the secret isn't the amount of subscribers that you have. The secret is developing a strategy that can help you to generate income without having your subscriber count tied to that. Remember, Google AdSense is not always reliable because that fluctuates based on the amount of views you're getting per month. If you develop other sources of income, that's setting you up for success because your views does not determine the amount of money that goes into your pocket on a monthly basis. So think of Google AdSense as a roller coaster, okay? Think of it like that because your income is gonna go up and down depending on how many views you get. So let's start with the easiest method, and the easiest method is actually affiliate marketing. With affiliate marketing, if you use a product or a service that you really stand by, something that you really like, if you make videos about it and you link that in the description box, people will click on that link, and if they make a purchase, you will get a commission. Let's say, for example, you're teaching people how to build and grow a successful YouTube channel. One of the things that you could talk about in your video is actually the tools that you use in your videos. Let's take, for example, example, a microphone. You can actually make a video reviewing that microphone and how it helps you to get crispy, clear audio. Provide valuable information for your viewers, and once you've done that, you can put a link to that microphone in your description box. And 90% of the time, people will click on it and buy that product, and that's how you get the commission. This method, it actually works whether you have 0 or 1 million subscribers, and this method is setting you up for success and helping you to build that stream of income. Another way you can make money on YouTube from day one is selling digital products. If you have experience in something that your viewers will find valuable, packaging that into a digital product like a course, a PDF document, or an ebook, and listing it for sale on YouTube is actually going to help you to generate a substantial amount of money, especially when this thing that you're teaching is based on your own personal skills, your own personal experience, and you can package that. That's gonna help you to generate a ton load of revenue, especially when you're speaking from experience. Think of it like planting a seed. When you first plant a seed, it takes a little while in order to blossom and develop into a flower or a plant. It's the same thing with digital products. You put the work in the beginning, you list that for sale, and then it blossoms. The third method is actually using YouTube as a platform to sell a service. Now, let's say you're good at video editing and that's the service that you want to offer. What you could do is create a YouTube channel and make that focused around how to edit your YouTube videos. And that way you can attract people who actually want to edit their videos, and you can pitch your editing service to your audience. Maybe you can use your YouTube videos to show off your editing style to attract more clients. Just think of every video as an opportunity to advertise your skills and your service, to advertise your business. When you have that focus in mind, it's gonna be so easy to make money outside of Google AdSense with 0 subscribers. Now, the fourth way you can make money from day one with 0 subscribers is sponsorships. Yes, I said it, sponsorships, okay? I know, you're probably confused at this point, wondering like, how am I gonna make money from sponsorships if I have 0 subscribers? The good thing is it's not so much about your subscriber count, but how well people are engaging and interacting with your videos. That's really what businesses are looking for. They're looking for your engagement. Are people actively engaged and replying in the comments? What I find interesting is a lot of small brands, they prefer to work with small creators. Maybe it could be the budget. They maybe assume that a bigger creator will not fit into their budget. That could be one of many reasons. But again, I do notice that small brands like to work with small creators, and you can reach out to these brands, small brands, let's say under 100,000 followers, or don't be surprised if they'll reach out to you. I've seen that on many instances. So what I want you to do is think of Google AdSense as just a bonus and not your main source of income. Because if you do, you might be disappointed if it takes forever to get to that 1,000 subscribers and the 4,000 watch hours. You need to be creative and think outside the box. What problem am I solving, and what do I need to do in order to earn money outside of YouTube? YouTube is a big search engine, and it drives a lot of traffic because people are searching on this every day. Now, you might be curious regarding whether or not you can have a whole YouTube channel without showing your face. And yes, you can. There are thousands of YouTube channels that are very successful, getting millions of views per day, and they don't even show their face. Providing valuable content is more important than showing your face. What you can do is actually get stock footage and use that stock footage and add voiceovers, okay? You can use Canva to also create whiteboard animation. So you can create animated videos. There's so many resources available that can help you to get a channel without showing your face, and you can start making money even without subscribers. So if you have 0 subscribers and you're looking to make money on YouTube, do not be discouraged. And I repeat, do not be discouraged. All you gotta do is to follow one or even all the strategies that I list out today, because these are effective strategies that people are banking and making money off of. And it has nothing to do with their subscriber count. Another thing you can actually do, which is a bonus, is to repurpose your content. So if you're filming those long form content, post them and repurpose them and create shorts from them and post them on YouTube Shorts. Post them on TikTok and Instagram Reels. And that way you can open up other opportunities on other platforms. If you need a step-by-step guide or tutorial regarding how you can repurpose your long-form YouTube videos into short videos, please leave a comment below. I want you to comment tutorial in the comment section below. That way I can know that you actually watched this entire video. YouTube shows that only a few people watch the entire video from the beginning to the end. So comment tutorial if you did. If you found value from this video, go ahead and like and share this video if you think it's gonna help someone. And I'll see you in the next one.